Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so super excited to be doing this video today. So I am going to be doing a video on the new Bkbeauty True Beauty palette. I'm so excited for Lisa and the Bkbeauty team for achieving their dreams, and I know Lisa has always wanted a cosmetic line. If you didn't know, Lisa is also a content creator here on YouTube. I will link her channel down below, but I'm so proud of them, and I'm so excited to be doing two looks with this palette. Here we have the palette. It is vegan and cruelty free, and it is $45. We have 12 shades. We have 6 shimmers and 6 mattes, and I'm so excited. This palette is actually made in Canada. Why don't we go ahead and swatch the shadows? So right here are all the shadows swatched. We have a pop of color right here, and I love these shades. This is a true neutral everyday palette. Everyday, like Lisa, she is all about true beauty and just neutral, everyday wearable shades. This is a beautiful palette. Look at all these shades. They're absolutely stunning. Really quick, I want to say thank you so much to Bkbeauty for sending this over to me in PR. It means so much to me. And now, without further ado, let's get into the two looks. And I love how all these names represent true beauty. Like we have Brooklyn, which is her daughter, Grace, Beauty, Kate, Glow, Ambition, Amor, Kind Vibes, Love, Queen. And I'm going to be starting out right here with Beauty. By the way, you get a nice size mirror in here. And I'm going in with the Bkbeauty 202 brush. And I'm just going to run that in my crease. So happy for her. She's so kind and so giving. Her company is awesome. If you don't have her brushes, by the way, they are amazing. I always use the Bkbeauty 101 brush for my foundation, and they always have really great deals on their website, so definitely go check there. They always have clearance deals. So that shade is building up super nice. On a Bkbeauty 207, I'm going into the shade Dream right here, which has some sort of glitter reflect in it, but I'm just going to be putting that on my outer corner and dragging it inward. There's a little bit of fallout with this shade, but I think this is the only shade that has fallout in it. And it's easy to brush away. I'm just doing a nighttime look, and then I'm going to do a daytime look. So as you can see, the pigment is really strong in this. Oh, so pretty. Perfect. You see that? Alright, so with my finger, I'm going to go in with Amor right here, and I'm going to pack that on the lid. Really pretty gold. As you guys can see, stunning. Beautiful eye look. Now I'm going to take the Bkbeauty 203 brush and go into Beauty again. And I'm going to run that along the lower lash line. And then going back in with this pencil brush, the 207, going back into Dream. And I'm just going to hit that on the outer third of the lower lash line, connecting it to the top and drawing a wing with this shadow. So beautiful. So I'm going to go put on some mascara, and we'll see what that looks like with mascara. So here's what the eye look looks like with just mascara. Really pretty, really soft. I love this eye look. Let's get into eye look number 2. I'm going to take the Bkbeauty number 203 and take the shade Queen right here. And I'm going to actually put this on my outer corner. Really nice shade. I'm just tapping my brush off so there's no fallout. And I'm also going to place that on the inner corner for a halo eye. And I'm going to show you how to use that pop of color. Kate, the purple. Really, really simple eye look. And that's what this palette is meant for. Very simple eye looks, and I'm going to connect it in the center. And then with my finger, I'm going to go into that purple shade Kate and place that on the inner half of the eye. As you can see, it's really, really pretty. And then I'm going to feather the edges into that shade so that it looks really, really seamless. Very, very pretty. And then I'm going to go on the lower lash line and take Kind Vibes and place that on the lower lash line. And then I'm also going to take Queen again and place that on the lower lash line just to smoke it out a little bit. For the inner corner, I'm going to be taking Brooklyn right here. And I'm just going to place that right here. Oh my gosh, so pigmented. And on the other side. And for my brow bone, I'm taking Beam right here. It's just a matte cream shade. Really, really soft, really elegant looks. I'm going to go put on mascara and we'll see what that looks like with mascara. So here are the two eye looks with just some Benefit Roller Lash. I'm going to go put on some lashes and we'll see what that looks like with lashes. I actually just put on a half lash, an accent lash, and here is what the eye looks look like with lashes. I'm so impressed. I love the eyeshadow palette. It is called True Beauty. It's $45. It's available now. Definitely go snag it up. It's beautiful. Congratulations, Lisa and the Bkbeauty team. Thank you so much for sending it my way. I'm so happy to do this video. I love these eye looks. Perfect wearable for every day, for the office, to go out running errands. And this is just a little bit spiced up, just a little bit more fun, but you can do anything you want with this palette. It's just perfect for neutrals every day, and I love that about this palette. I'm so excited. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.